Hi, friends. It's your old pal, Conductor Jack, and we are about to visit CoComelon Lane. That's right. I think it's probably where JJ and all our CoComelon friends live. This book is called Welcome to CoComelon Lane. How about I open the cover right now, and we go on a fun CoComelon reading adventure together. Here we go. Look, there's JJ. Here we go. Hi, I'm JJ, and I live on CoComelon Lane. Whether we're playing together or helping our families, my friends and I always have fun and learn something new. Come along and join us on our adventures. Hi, I'm Cody. I love spending time with my family. When our adventure to the Cocoa Fair couldn't happen because of the rain, I was so disappointed. But my daddy had an idea. We can have a family fair, he said. We played ring toss with my rubber ducky, and my daddy made an indoor coaster for me to ride. When the rain cleared, we went to the park to share the adventure with my friends. I learned how to have a better day. It was an exciting day on CoComelon Lane. It's always fun to learn and try something new. When I helped bake a birthday cake for my mommy, I made some mistakes, and that made me sad. It's okay to make mistakes. You can learn and try again, my daddy said. I tried again and decorated my mommy's cake my way. Sometimes things don't turn out the way you expect them to, but that's what makes them unique. It was a special day on CoComelon Lane. Hi, my name is Nina. I love being with my friends and family on CoComelon Lane. One day, my grandma let me be her kitchen helper, but then I broke an egg, and I wasn't sure if I was going to be a very good helper. First, watch me do it, then give it a try. You can do it, my grandma said. She taught me how to ask questions and learn. Now I can ask, how can I help? And then be helpful. I brought the snacks to class, and everybody enjoyed them. It was a delicious day on CoComelon Lane. On another adventure, my friends and I went on a nature walk. We saw a lot of animals, and I wanted to make them my best friends. But when I got too close to them, they ran away, and I want to bring them home with me, I said. Nature is the animal's home, Cece's mom said. I can't take the animals with me, but I can draw them. It was a terrific day on CoComelon Lane. Hello, I'm Cece. I'm always excited to learn something new, but sometimes learning new things can be scary. When I had my first swimming lesson, I saw how big and deep the pool was, and I was scared. Take one step at a time, said Ms. Appleberry. She showed me how to take one step in the water at a time. It wasn't so scary anymore. Now I love having adventures in the pool like a mermaid. It was a fantastic day on CoComelon Lane. I love having adventures with my family. Sometimes we have family game night at home. It's so much fun, but it can be hard waiting for my turn to play. Waiting can be great. You can watch and learn, my grandma said. It can be fun watching others play and learning more about the game. When I wait my turn, it's more fun for everyone. It was an amazing day on CoComelon Lane. Hello, I'm Nico, and I love playing with my friends. For Cece's party, I brought her a new ball as a present. But I felt sad because I wanted to keep the ball for myself. Giving a friend a present makes them smile, my papa said. Giving presents makes others happy, and that makes me happy too. I gave the gift to Cece, and she smiled. She shared the ball with all her friends, and we played together. It was a wonderful day on CoComelon Lane. It feels great to be giving. When my papa wasn't feeling well, I wanted to gift him a flower. I wanted to give him a red flower, but the florist didn't have any. We can find something else, my daddy said. It's the thought that brightens someone's day. After some thinking, I picked out a potted flower that my papa could water and grow. I'm glad I learned how to put thought into my papa's gift. He loved it. It was a lovely day on CoComelon Lane. Hi, my name is Bella. I love exploring the world around me. My brother Luke took me on a bug adventure. Then it started raining. I wanted to bring the bugs inside so they wouldn't get wet. There are different ways we can help the bugs, Luke said. Together, we made a stick bridge for the ants and a leaf boat for a snail. Soon, it stopped raining, and we watched a spider climb up the spout. I learned so much about bugs on my bug adventure. It was a spectacular day on CoComelon Lane. I love trying new things. I went to my very first sleepover at Cece's house. I was so excited, but I was also worried I would miss my mommy too much. I will miss you too, but you will have so much fun, and I'll be back in the morning, my mommy said. Let's build a pillow fort, said Cece. We can play with our stuffed animals too, I said. Even though I missed my mommy, I remembered that she would be back in the morning, and I could still have fun at the sleepover. It was a beautiful night on CoComelon Lane. It's so much fun learning and trying new things. What are some things you like to do on your adventures? We hope you had fun visiting CoComelon Lane. Come back soon. Oh, JJ and friends are so cool. Isn't it fun to visit CoComelon Lane? Hey, which friend is your favorite? Do you have a favorite friend of JJ's? Oh, I like them too. Well, it is always fun to learn new things. And you know, a great way to learn and make your brain strong is by reading. Reading is such a great thing for your mind. You can think of all the pictures and you can go magical places and do amazing things when you read a book. The world is such a big place full of so many adventures, and I like to think it all starts right here in books. Hey, every single day of the week, I read a new story for you. Every day. Can you imagine that? Click the subscribe button. That way we can become friends. And then tomorrow when I post a video, you'll get a notice. And then the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next day, and the next... Craziness. Every day of the week, a brand new story from me, Conductor Jack. And we do love reading a lot with our friends from CoComelon. Have a great rest of the day. I'll see you soon. Bye. Subscribe now. It's free.